Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Galaxy Watch 5. To begin, simply locate the home key, which is the top button on the right side of your watch. Press and hold this key for approximately 2 to 3 seconds. You will then see the Samsung logo appear on the screen, confirming that your watch is powering up. It's a straightforward process to get your device started and ready for use. Once your Galaxy Watch 5 has powered on, the next step is to complete the initial setup. You will be guided through on-screen prompts to select your preferred language. Then, you'll need to open the Galaxy wearable application on your smartphone to pair the devices. Make sure to accept all the necessary terms and conditions to finalize the connection and begin enjoying your new watch. Before you dive into using your new Galaxy Watch 5, it is crucial to ensure it has an adequate charge. Simply place the back of your watch onto the provided wireless charging pad. You will see a charging indicator appear on the screen. A complete charge from empty usually takes around 1 hour and 15 minutes, providing you with ample power for your daily activities. If your Galaxy Watch 5 does not turn on immediately, do not worry. There are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, confirm that the battery is not completely depleted. Connect your watch to its charger and allow it to charge for at least 10 minutes. After this brief charging period, try pressing and holding the home key once more. This often resolves initial power-on issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.